Short, short.
Point, Loyola. Kayla Reardon, serving for the Ramblers.
Good swing. Gonna be trouble. Down ball, down ball, down ball, deep.
Out of bounds, point, Loyola.
Nice swing. Get this, Grace. Out, out, out. Let's go, girls. Run them off the court. Get us 5 more, Kayla. Let's go. Good swing. Way to change it up. Get this push. Trouble.
Point, Loyola.
Let's go. Get us double digits here. 3. Nice swing. Out of rotation. Get it, save it. Boom!
Olivia Van Zels for the Ramblers.
Good swing, O. Good push, G. Hey, keep the serve to 10. Let's go. Nice. Stuff it, G. Get him.
Carolyn Sherrick for the Knights.
Let's go back row right here.
Maggie Horowitz serving for Prospect.
Good pass.
Out of bounds, point, Prospect.
Let's go, girls. Side out 6 point. It's all right. Play on, play on. Nice. Oh!
Out of bounds, set out, point, Loyola.
Let's go, Emma.
Emma Stevens serving for the Ramblers.
Nice swing. Cover it. Nice. Play on, play on, play on, play on. Get this. Use it.
Out of bounds, set out, point, Prospect.
Take an approach, both hands, not one.
Nikki Matters serving for the Knights.
Trouble.
Side out, point, Loyola. Grace Kennedy serving for the Ramblers.
Let's go. Got to get to 10 here. Get it. Behind the net.
Out of bounds, point, Loyola.
Nice swing. Oh, you didn't know.
Grace Kennedy with the ace.
It should not go to the coach. The coach is not playing. Timeout on the court.
Timeout.
Loyola up 9-3. Loyola 9-3.